In this video, I'm about to show you how to live stream on YouTube with OBS Studio. First, open your website and navigate to the YouTube website. Once you're on the home page, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select View Your Channel to go to your channel page. Next, click on the video to ensure you're set up for live streaming. Now, minimize your browser and open OBS Studio on your desktop. Once OBS is open, click on the Starting Stream to begin the setup process. Next, go to the setting by clicking on the button in the lower right corner of the OBS window. In the setting menu, select Steam for option on the left side. In the Steam setting, look for the server drop-down menu and select YouTube. Then, click on Connect Account to link your YouTube account with OBS. A prompt will appear asking you to choose a browser, select your preferred browser and click just once. After that, choose the Google account you want to connect to your OBS Studio and click on Continue to allow access. Return to OBS and if prompted, check the box for No and ask about keeping your settings. Then click Apply and OK to save your changes. Now, enter your email address and click Next. Enter your password when prompted, and once you've logged in, you should see a message indicating that your streaming software is connected. When everything is set up, click on Start Streaming in OBS. Next, go back to YouTube and click on Manage Broadcast. Here you can enter a description for your live stream and upload a thumbnail image from your computer to make your stream more appealing. Additionally, you can select any additional setting you wish to configure for your broadcast. Once you're ready, click on Create Broadcast to finalize your setup and start streaming. Once everything is set up and you're ready to go live, click on Advanced feature to access more options related to your live stream, including features that enhance your stream's interactivity and react. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.